Guys, good morning from Paris. I'm on my day 6 dito sa Paris. And today, try ko yung walking tour. Pero ano siya, free. Tip lang or donation. So, it's either 5 euro or 10. Pwede na. And yun, mga 2 hours. And let's see. Pinili ko pala yung Hidden Gem tour. So, let's see kung talagang may mahanap tayong gem. Papasok na ako dun sa Louvre. Ito yung entrance. Entrance pa lang. Maganda na. Entrance. Okay, so nandito na ako sa aking favorite place. No wonder dinadayo ang Paris kasi talagang maganda siya. Maganda. Akala ko sa picture ko lang yan makikita. But I'm here! I'm here. So, ang tour is, meeting place is dun sa ilalim ng horse. Pero I think masyado ako maaga, so gusto ko sanang kumain. Magbe-breakfast muna ako. Let's see kung may mahahanap tayo. Ayoko dito sa cafe sa malapit sa attraction kasi usually mahal, diba? So, let's see. 5 minutes before 11, dapat magkikita na kami dun sa horse. Ayun. Yung horse na yun. Mas maganda siya ngayon kasi nung first na punta namin dito. Yung mga statue. Diyan sila maglinis. Okay guys, so nahanap ko na yung tour guide. So buti na lang. Kasi medyo nag-worry na ako kasi hindi ko paano kaya sila hanapin sa dami ng tao. So, thank goodness. So magsa-start na kami soon.
So you might wonder why we meet in front of the most famous museum for a tour called Hidden Gem. The reason is because we actually won't stay around the Louvre. Soon we'll go. The red thing is lighted. It's like a big insect that's going to swallow you when you enter. So most of the entrances are like this, but you'll see very different one just in a few minutes. So this was first the palace of the Cardinal Richelieu. So if you have seen or read The Three Musketeers, you have the bad guy, the prime minister, all in red. Here's another one. You have the reflection of the palace and the... So this is the Gallery Léraud Beaux-Arts. One of they go as big as this. Yes. You can find some people. I told you that you want to have a statue everywhere in Paris. So that's another one.
Pensa que a loura não volta.
Also this mosaic here is quite authentic. You got the name.
Okay, so tapos na ang tour.
Yeah.
Right. Hi, I just wanna... This is my guide.
Okay. Bye.